Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure NetSDK 6, 0 or later, and EF core packages are installed. Next, create your models folder and add simple POCO classes for each table. Now choose a clear Dbcontext name and add a connection string in app settings. JSON. Once done, open your project in an editor and prepare to add a new Dbcontext class file. This is the first actionable step toward wiring EF core into your app. You create the Dbcontext class that inherits from Dbcontext and include a constructor taking Dbcontext options of your context type. Then add DB set properties for each entity so EF knows which tables to map. Make sure to override on model creating to configure relationships, indexes, or conventions. Use Fluent API where needed. Next, register the context in dependency injection with services. Add Dbcontext and supply use SQL Server. You finish by adding migrations and updating the database. Run .NET F migrations, add initial create, then .NET F database update. After that, inject your context where needed. Use constructor injection and async query methods for scalability. Make sure to use using scopes for short-lived contexts. If something breaks, check the connection string, verify the EF provider package version matches your runtime, and ensure you regenerated migrations after model changes. This single troubleshooting step often resolves schema mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.